Hello students, today let us see about the LCM, least common multiple. Here least common multiple, the question will come as find the least common multiple of this two number, or they will give 3 number or 4 number, any number they will give you. But don't be afraid, if they are giving you two number, what is the LCM of 6 and 12? We can find the LCM by three methods. We have by three methods we can find out. First method we are going to find out by listing the multiples. By listing the multiples, we know the table, no? We know the table 6 and we know the table 12. Then now it is very easy. Just see the table 6. Tables are 6. Tell the tables are 6. That is 6, 12, 18, 24. Yes, no? This is 6 table. 6, 1, 6, 6, 2, 12, 6, 3, 18, 6, 4, 24. Yes, no? 6 table. And next write the 12 table. Write the 12 table. 12, 1, 12, 12, 2, 24, 12, 3, 36. So the 12 table goes. Now see that in 6 and 12, which number coming common? Common factor. Find the common multiple. Common multiple. 6, here is 6, here is no 6. So leave it. Here is 12 and here also 12. Yes, no? Both 6 and 12 is for this common multiple is 12. Yes? 12 is common. Okay, first number 12 is common. Yes, 12 is common. Next, which number is common? 12, and you can see 24 also common. See the 24 and 24 also common. Yes, no? 24 also common. Now, in this, like this, multiples goes. Okay, many numbers there. So, in this, which is the least number? LCM means we know least common multiple. For least we can tell another name, smallest. Okay, least means smallest. Smallest. Least means smallest. What is the smallest multiple here? Smallest common multiple. Smallest common multiple is 12. So answer is 12. The smallest number. You can divide this 12 exactly by this two number. You can divide this 12 by 6 or 6. Two times you can divide. You can divide this 12 by 12 one time exactly you can divide. Okay. By this number can be divided by both number exactly. This is the least number can be divided. So this is by listing the multiple. First method by listing the multiple. You have to write the table and find what is coming common and write the answer. This is the answer. Next, let us see the second method by prime factorization. By prime factorization. Second method by prime factorization. By prime factorization. Let us take two numbers here, 16 and 24. We know how to find out the prime factor. Yes, no? Yesterday we saw the prime factorization, how to find out. We saw three methods. In that one method is prime factorization. So now find the prime factor for this number by the division method. Find the prime factor of this number and find the prime factor of this number. So how we will find the prime factor? We know the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, like this numbers going. Yes, no? So first you divide by the smallest prime number. Which is the smallest prime number? 2. Start divide by 2. If 2 is not dividing, then go to 3. If 3 is not dividing, then go to 5. Okay. First you have to start from the smallest prime number. So divide by 2 first. Smallest, prime number 2, 3, 5, prime number. So divide by 2. How many times you can do? 16 divided by 2. Quotient is 8. So write 8 below here. Next 8 is there. Again divide this 8 by, again divide this number by prime number 2. How many times you can divide? 4 times you can divide. Again divide this number by 2. 2 times you can divide. Again divide this number by 2. 1 time you can divide. Yes, no? Till last one coming, you have to divide and go. Next 24 is given. Divide this number by 2. How many times you can divide? 12 times you can divide. Again divide this 12 by 2. 12 can be divided by 2. So divide by 2. You can divide 6 times. Divide this 6 by 2. You can divide 3 times. Yes, no? Now the number is 3. Is it possible the number 3 to divide by 2? You can 3 divided by 2. Yes, no? 1 time 2 and the remainder is 1. See, you are getting remainder 1. So when there is remainder coming, we should not take 2 and divide. So we have to take 3 and okay, take 3 and divide. Okay, now why? The reason is remainder is coming, remainder. So it must divide exactly and there is no remainder. So take 3 and divide. 3 by 3, 1 time you can divide. Yes, no? So now what to do? Arrange all the prime factors. So factors of 16. Factors of 16 and factors of 24. This both number you have to arrange. What is the factors of 16? 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, 4 times write the 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 4 times written. Next write this for factors of 24, 2, 2, 2 and 3. 3 times 2 and 1 time 3. 2, 2, 2 and 1 time 3. Yes. Now see that find the common factor. Common factor. For this you have to write 1 time 2. Okay. Common number write 1 time. Multiply. Again one more time 2 coming. Yes, no? Common factor 1 time. Another 1 time 2 coming. So write 2. See again one more time 2 coming. Yes, no? So write 2. Now see that common factor only 3 times 2 coming. So written 3 times. Now see that after common factor some extra factors also coming. Extra factor. See here is 1 time 2 coming, but here is no 2 there. But here is 3 is there. But upside there is no 3. So what to do this time? This is called the extra factor. So write the extra factor also down. Okay, extra factor also write it down. 2. Okay, and this 3. Bring down 3. Yes, understand? First common factor you are writing. Afterwards, which is not common, which is separate number, that also you have to write. Now multiply 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 3, 16 3 16 multiply 3, it is 48, 16 3 48. So what is the LCM of 16 and 24? LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. So this method is the prime factorization method. By prime factorization method, you are finding the LCM. This is the second method. How to do? Just one method. Whatever number, 2 number or 3 number. Here is given 2 numbers, 16 and 24. So divide the prime number, divide the whatever given number, divide it by the prime number. Find all the prime number. Okay, we have find all the prime factor here, and for this also you find all the prime factor here. Okay, prime number. Now arrange the prime number, whatever the left side column, no, the left column write it here. The left column write it here. Now find the common number. The common number write 1 time. Common number write 1 time. And whatever extra, that also write 1 time. Okay. At last multiply the last row, everything multiply, and that is the answer. That is the LCM. Okay. Now let us go our third method, by division method. Third method is by division method. Third method is by division method. By division method, we are going to find the LCM by division method. So let us take three numbers here: 20, 28, 40. Yes, we have taken three numbers: 20, 28, 40 by division method. Now we have to divide the given number by the prime factor. Okay, we already divided separately one number. Now all the number in one time we are going to divide. Okay, by prime number. We know the prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, like this goes. So divide by the prime number such that, okay, at least two number you have to divide. Minimum two number it must divide. If you take 2 and divide means in this minimum two number it should divide. Minimum two number and maximum all the number. Okay, that also possible. Okay, take 2 and see is it possible to divide two number. Here is possible to divide all the three numbers. So divide by 2. 20 divided by 2. What is the quotient? How would I can divide? 10 times we can divide. And 28 divided by 2. How many times we can divide? That is 14 times we can divide. Yes. And this 40 divided by 2 we can divide by 20 times. See that again divide this number by which number we can divide again? Again take 2 and divide. 5 times we can divide, and here is 7 times we can divide, and here is 10 times we can divide. Now see that 5, 7, 10. Now which number possible to divide? It is possible to divide by 2. I told you if you take 2 it must divide minimum 2 number. Okay, minimum 2 number it must divide. See, you cannot divide 5 and 7 by 2. Yes, only one number, so leave it. And take 3. If you take 3 you can't divide any number, so don't leave. Now which number you have to take? Take 5. You see, is it possible to divide by 5? You can divide this 5 one time. Yes, 5 by 5 1. And the 7 you cannot divide. The number which is not divisible by 5 you just write it down just as 7. You cannot divide means bring it down. 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5. 2 times you can divide. Okay now? Okay, now see that the last remainder. See the remainder 1, 7, 2. Yes, no? 1, 7, 2. Is there any other common factor there? Any other common factor? No common. We cannot divide by 2. Only one time. Only one. Only. Okay. I told you minimum 2 number we have to divide. Minimum 2 number it must divide. So if you divide by 7 one time only. If you divide by 2 one time only. So leave it. Okay. We have to. Now this is the last line is there is no common factor except 1. Okay now. So this is the remainder now. So the left side column and the remainder, this both now you have to multiply. That is the LCM. So LCM of the numbers is multiply 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 5 and 1, 7, 2. So if you multiply with 1, same number only will get. Okay. So next you take 7. 7, 2. Multiply this number. You have to take this number and the remainder. Understand? Multiply this 2 to 4. 4, 5, 20. 27 how much? 20 multiply 7. 20 multiply 7. 140. Yes, no? 140. Then multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. You will get 214. You will get answer as how much? 280 is the LCM. LCM of 20, 28, 40. 20, 28, 40. LCM of this 20, 28, 40 is 280. This is the LCM. How to find out in this method? By division method. how many, whatever number they is given, write it in one row. Okay. Afterwards, start dividing by the prime number. Okay. The prime number must divide minimum two numbers, such that. Okay, you have to divide. So now you start dividing and going. The last remainder, there is no common factor. Yes, no. 172. There is no common factor for this number except 1. So leave it. Okay, that's all. Now you have to take the left side column and the remainder. Okay, take everything and multiply. You are getting 280. This is the LCM. This is the answer. So we saw about the LCM. Yes, no? This 280 is the number. This number you can divide by 20 exactly, and 28 also exactly, and 40 is exactly. This is the least number. This number can be divided by 20 exactly, 28 exactly, 40 exactly. Okay, that is the LCM. Least number. This is the least number. By the least number we can divide. Okay, all this exactly. Okay, least number. Understand the LCM? I hope. Okay, the three method we saw: listing the multiple, prime factorization, and division method. And then we will see the exercise. Tomorrow we will solve it, and then you practice this everything again, and then start see everything what are the exercise, and see the definition and keep learn. Okay, we will see you tomorrow. Thank you.